Nice Robus RBS600HS sliding gate operator control board. Welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. This is a nice Robus RBS600HS sliding gate operator control board. Now we will explain terminals block one by one. Flash block. Connect gate warning lamp. This is 24 volt, max 10 watts flash output. The lamp flashes while gate moves. Purpose: gate opening flashing, gate closing flashing, safety warning for people nearby. Let connect also antenna module. The same flashlight antenna system available. Connect this direct by wire. Used to improve remote control range. The connection is external antenna to flashing light or antenna terminal. Good for long driveway gates. Weak remote signal areas. OGI block. It's optional. Open gate indicator. OGI is open gate indicator output. The output is 24 volt max 10 watts. Function: lamp on when gate open, lamp off when gate closed. Useful for security room, garage indication, and gate status display. SBS terminal. There's a normally open push-button switch connection. The red wire is step-by-step for push-button, and the blue wire common for push-button. SBS is push-button input. The operation is: first press, gate opens. Second press, gate stops. Third press, gate closes. Common use wall push-button, intercom relay output, and access control. In the same block as photo terminal is photocell safety, which is directly jumper 24 volt terminal. Because it's NC contact, if you have 4-wire system sensor, you can connect no issue. Photo terminal is photocell safety. Photo is safety beam input. Photocells protect people and vehicles. The operation beam clear. Gate works. Beam interrupted. Gate stops or reverses. I will show you 4-wire system sensor connection. This is 24 volt DC power supply connection of 4-wire photocell system. And this is a safety system connection of photocell. Stop terminal. Stop is safety stop input. NC, or 8.2 kilo-ohm safety edge. The function is immediately stops movement. Emergency stop, safety edge, protection devices. If in use, must remain correctly configured or bridged according to manual. BlueBus terminals. BlueBus is 2-wire communication system. This is the BlueBus single-pair sensor of connection. Power plus communication signal together go in the only 2 wires required. Automatic accessory recognition. The supports is photocells, safety devices, and additional compatible accessories. This terminals is 24 volt auxiliary output. Used for powering accessories, photocells, and small external modules. Observe polarity. This terminal is 12-volt OSC output. The 12-volt OSC output is used only for optoelectronic safety edge. Warning: maximum current 15 milliamperes. Do not connect ordinary accessories here. This setup gives a complete and safe nice RB600 sliding gate system. Device learning control board setup. After powering on the system, the control unit must recognize all connected devices, including BlueBus devices, stop input devices, motor rotation direction. This learning process is required even if no accessories are connected. Step 1. Press and hold open button and stop set button together. Step 2. Keep holding for around 3 seconds. When LED L1 and L2 start flashing quickly, release both buttons. Step 3. Wait a few seconds. The control board will automatically scan and memorize connected devices. Step 4. When learning is completed, stop LED should remain on. LEDs L1 and L2 should turn off if this is the first installation. LEDs L3 and L4 may start flashing. Important note: you can repeat device learning anytime after installation whenever. Adding accessories, removing devices, changing configurations, and if the motor direction is reversed, perform the learning process again. Leaf length learning operations. Today I will explain leaf length learning operations step by step. Before starting, make sure the gate leaf is positioned approximately in the middle. It should not be fully open or fully closed. If needed, unlock the motor, move the gate manually, lock the motor again. Start learning. Press and hold stop set plus close button. Hold until the movement starts, usually around 3 seconds. Release both buttons.